Hi everyone. Let me see here. What do I have going on? Oh wait, a second here. We have some new pendants, some new silicone teethers that came in today. I'm on my computer. I'm trying to pull it up. What I just shared. So a couple people hop on. This is going to be a really quick live. There's just a couple of new pendants that we got in today. So if you're watching us on Facebook, obviously you have probably seen the posts that I have been sharing. So we have new crocodiles and the cameras are back in stock. Some new dinosaurs, which I'm going to show you. Some cool dinosaurs or alligators. Both of the stitches in pink and blue are back in stock. Some sailboats, a skull, so lots of cool things. I'm just getting to the computer so that I can find the SKUs to show you. Okay, so 103. So these are adorable. They come in 3 different colors. There's pink, mint, and a super cool neonish orange, if I can find it. Look how bright that is. It's hard to tell. So cute. So those are brand new in stock today. SP103, SP102. Look at these cute guys. And those come in pink, in orange, and there's like a mint green back there. 97. Check these out. How cool. We only have 5 of those, so make sure you snatch one up if you're interested. The sailboats, which is 99. We have this dark, I listed it as dark blue. It has a little bit of a purplish tint, you can tell from the picture. And we have light pink. As you can see, there's a yellow and a lime and a gray. So very, very cute sailboats. And the back is also super cute too, if I can get it. Let me set you down here. Let me get one out. I'm going to show you these 2 hands. Here we go. Look at how cute this back is. So cute. And those are SP99. Those are brand new today. We have the stitch, like I told you, so we always carry the blue. We just got a restock on those. And now we also have them in pink, which is really adorable. I know I have an email to return. Somebody asked me when those were going to be in stock. I think of yesterday. These are brand new. They're the wooden rattles, so you can stand alone, or because they have these little rings, you can attach to a passy clip. So we have this one, which is the natural finished wood with pink and blue. And then we have it available in natural with yellow and light pink. And the price point on these, I think is, everything is super reasonable. These are pretty low. And we have 10 available in each color for now. So check those out. SP100, another super cute and cool little dinosaur in a dark green. And we have it available in this lime, which is really cute. I love the little pink rosy cheeks. Super adorable. So as you can tell, a dinosaur is a big theme for this new restock. We sell a ton of dinosaurs. I know that is something that you guys really love. So I try to get all the variations. So there's blue, green, and there's a lime. Super cute. And let's see, another dinosaur in 102, which I showed you. I think I showed you guys that one has that neon, which is really fun. The cameras are back in stock, which is SP6. So we have all the colors, the mint, the blue, the pink, the lavender, and the gray. All of that has been restocked today. And last but not least, our cute little crocodiles, which we formerly only carried in the dark green. We now have available in the dark blue, the light pink, the lime green, and the, I forgot which colors I already said. Let me see. Lime green, dark blue, dark green, pink. Super, super, super cute. So it's just a small little restock, as well as more of the silicone letters The vowels we sell out of quite quickly, so we have been trying to keep over 100 of those in stock at any given time, so you can check those out. If you missed our last live, you may have missed out on some of these specialty beads that we have. The leopard beads, the terrazzo beads, the camouflage beads, the cow beads. We have some mouse beads, some soccer beads, the chevron beads. These are all silicone that we're looking at. And then, of course, the natural wood beads in 10, 12, 14, 16, and 20 millimeter. And these awesome wood hearts. Everything is available on the website now. So go ahead and check it out, myprettyposhprincess.com. And we will, as always, get it shipped very quickly. Update on the video from last night. So I showed everybody last night our brand new acrylic lines. I've been working and unpacking stuff, so it's a bit messy in the bead room. But so far I can say, so we launched these last night. All of these drawers were full, as you can tell. There's a ton of them that aren't anymore, and they have been refilled already. So the miracle beads, super popular. Right now, trending type 1 of the new animal print seems to be the most popular of the first 3 that have been released, but the other 2 are pretty close behind. Pop Rocks is doing awesome. Confetti is doing awesome. And out of the bowling ball jelly glitter, the rose gold and the green actually have been super popular. So make sure you check those out on our website, myprettyposhprincess.com. You can find them under the new release section, which is right on that home page. I didn't show yesterday in the live, and I should have. We got these really cute summer print matte beads. They have little seahorses and starfish and seashells on them. Super cute. Amber wants to know when the 70 millimeter wood rings will restock. I have 100 and some of them on the way. So right now I don't have any idea when they will actually get here. They're usually up here. So we are out. We have the 40. I don't know when they'll get here. We're still dealing with a really long ship times based on what's going on around the world. So hopefully they'll get here soon. That is all that I had to show you of our new stuff. You can find all of the new things that we got in today right on the home page of our Facebook with the link. You can see them there. Make sure you head to the website now, myprettyposhprincess.com. Get your order in, and as always, we will get it shipped super quickly. Thanks for joining. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'm always more than happy to help. Have a wonderful afternoon, guys.